friends, it's Kim with Sweet Daisy Creations. Today is Thursday. I think it's the 26th of January. Can you believe it? I've been doing a video every day this week. So different for me, but I've been doing a lot of different things. And then today I wanted to tell you I actually went on, I have a Facebook page called Sweet Daisy Creations. That's a private group that I have. And I did a video on there too for the very first time. I kind of was a little nervous about it, to show them my chalk couture stuff, which, you know, I did that with y'all the other day. I did an actual small little demonstration for them. And that's a group I have on Facebook, my Facebook, Sweet Daisy Creations. If you're interested in joining, just pop up over on Facebook and go to Sweet Daisy Creations. It's a private group, and I can let you join if you're interested. But anyways, I wanted to come on today because I got a box in the mail from the Grove, and of course I did a video on this a few months back, and I really love the Grove. You know, it's called the Grove Collaborative, and they have all kinds of cleaning products, personal products, things of that nature that are all natural. They don't have any kind of chemicals or anything like that in them. And so I've really enjoyed them. I really love the Mrs. Meyers brand, and I think in that video I told you that, because I love how they smell and they don't bother my skin. I have a very heavy problem, especially in the wintertime, with dry skin. Not so much in the summer because it's real humid here in Houston, but during the wintertime my hands get really dry and cracked. And I noticed that some of the Bath and Body Works stuff was bothering my hands because it, you know, I love their stuff too. In the summer it doesn't bother me, but this winter I started getting all kinds of cracks in my fingers and things of that nature. So I really do like the Mrs. Meyers brand hand soaps and their dishwashing liquid and stuff like that. It doesn't dry my skin out like some other soaps do. So anyways, I got onto the VIP list with the Grove. I'm not sponsored by them at all, any way, shape, or form. I just like it. So I pay, I don't forget how much it was, but I get free shipping, and then it's kind of like the pantry thing with Amazon, where, you know, you place your first order and then they'll keep sending it to you like every 2 months or whatever. So that's how this Grove thing works too. But it's all natural stuff and I like it. So I forgot actually what I ordered, so I thought I opened the box and let's see what's in here. You just never know. But anyways, how's everybody doing? I have to say it's beautifully sunshine out today. It's about 62 degrees, so it's nice. I am wearing a long sleeve shirt because I get cold. I'm cold natured anyway, so if it doesn't get, it has to get to like 75-ish where I feel comfortable without a jacket on outside. And sometimes even in the house when it's chilly, I wear a jacket in the house. It's crazy. But I just real cold natured. And anyways, but it's gorgeous today out here. All right, there we go. There's the box. Now I don't even remember what I have in here. I think I got some more things that I normally get, and it's got a little list here. It's not too many things, so it's not going to take us a long time on this video. But I really wanted to just chit-chat with you, say thanks for all the nice comments on my other videos. I know everybody's excited for me to get all my farm stuff onto my hutch and my room decorated and everything. And somebody asked me, when are you going to do that? Well, I want to wait till after the Valentine's Day is over so I can take all my Valentines down. So it's still going to be a couple of weeks, and then I'm going to decorate, and I'm probably going to still find some more things. I mean, you may think I have a lot, but I have that hutch that has nothing in it and nothing on it. So I really wanted to do that. Plus, I'm going to do a little redecorating in the room where my big couch is. I really want to bring that whole farm style to this whole room behind me. So anyways, that's the plan. It's already smelling good in this box. Let's see what I got. I decided to try some other stuff that I haven't had before, so we will soon find out what it is. Everything's nicely wrapped in here. Let me show you the inside of the box. It comes all the, see the blue? That's a painter's tape or something on over everything so it doesn't spill. And some of the stuff is in bags. So let me pull this up. Oh, okay, this is first, oh, this is another hand soap. Let me take this off. And this one is, what's the, I want to say it's probably lavender. I don't know, let's see. Because I have a, oh, it's on the other side. lavender scent, yeah. That's what it says. Now this tape, everything sticks to my nails. Drives me crazy. Anyways, this Meyers, and it's lavender. I love the smell of this. In fact, I've been starting to buy, well, I'm going to tell you about that, but I buy, is it Fabuloso? Not Fabuloso. That's a cleaning agent. What is it called? Anyway, some lavender softener for my washer and my washer because it makes the clothes smell so good. So anyways, I got lavender of the hand soap. And I don't know if it tells me, I don't think it tells me the price on here. No, it just gives me a list of what I got. So I got some more of the lavender hand soap because I love this. And it lasts a long time too. If you don't, because you don't have to use a lot and it really suds up good. And you don't need to use a whole lot of it. So it does last quite a while. And I like, the style of the bottle and everything. I mean, it's not decorative or anything like that. This works great out by our outdoor kitchen, by the sink for washing hands and stuff. So anyways, I got lavender, and I picked up another one, and I don't think I've had this, because I don't think I've had this. Oh, this is a gel. This was something new I wanted to try. It's called Vinegar Gel. No rinse cleaner. So it's like a antibacterial. If I can get the word out of my mouth. Antibacterial. It's made with vinegar, plant-derived ingredients, essential oils. It does not have phthalates, what is it? How do you say that? Phthalates, I don't know, artificial colors or paraben. So it's a no rinse cleaner. Tough on hard water, stains, and freshens. So it's actually a cleaner. I thought maybe it was a hand sanitizer, but it's not. I don't remember. I know I read it when I ordered it, but I thought I'd give it a try for no rinse cleaner. So I guess you could put this on your counter or wherever and you don't have to rinse it because it's got vinegar in it and essential oils, but it says hard water stains. So you could actually use it in your sink probably, your tub, wherever you have hard water stains. So anyways, I'll read this up a little bit and I'll see exactly what it's for. I know when I did, I wanted it to try it. Okay, I decided I wanted to try her toilet cleaner. Yes, toilet bowl cleaner. Removes stains, freshens surfaces. And I got this in the lavender scent. I'm gonna take all these tapes off. So I thought I'd give this a try and I'll see how it works and I'll let you know. Okay, it's stuck to my finger, I can't get it off. And how many ounces is this? 24 ounces. It's about the same size. I usually buy a brand called It Works. I get it at Walmart. And it works good on our toilets, but I thought I'd try something that didn't have all chemicals in it. So we'll see how this gets the ring, that you get in the toilet and all that stuff, how it works on that. Because we have hard water here at our house, and it's difficult to get the stains out sometimes. But anyways, it's lavender scent, so it'll make the bathroom smell good after I clean the toilet. So we'll give that a whirl and see how that works. And let's see what else I bought. Oh, I bought some Mrs. Meyers laundry detergent. I wanted to try this because all the soap smells so good and it doesn't cause any problem on my skin. So I thought maybe this would be good to try. I mean, granted, it's not a very big bottle and I wish I could tell you how much it was. Maybe before I upload this video, I'll, in the description, write down all the costs of this stuff. But it's pretty good size. Let's see, it's not a real big, it's 64 ounces. But how much do you use at a time? Okay, this cap is not very big and you only go like to the middle of the cap. A regular load, fill to middle of ring. So you don't have to use a whole lot, so that's good. But I love the smell of all this Mrs. Meyers stuff, so I'm gonna see how this will clean clothes. Not that our clothes get really dirty, but I thought I'd give it a try. See how it smells. And the last thing I got is in a box. What is this? Dryer sheets. I'm gonna try the dryer sheets. I'm gonna pull these out of the bag. I bet we can smell them. Oh yeah, ooh, lavender, yes, they smell great. So yeah, so this is wonderful. Softens fabrics and reduces static. Anyways, this came, so I thought I'd share it with you, but I really was getting on just to say hello and see how everybody's doing. But anyways, yes, I will get my decorations up here soon. Just give me a couple weeks to get Valentine's over with, and then I'll take all my Valentine's down, and then I will actually get all my other stuff up. And like I said, I might do a little more shopping because I am doing the whole room. In fact, I bought some pillowcases on Etsy, and they've shipped, but I haven't got them here yet. Because what I want to do, I've got big pillows on my sectional, and I want to cover those in more of a farmhouse look. But the pillows are pretty big. They're 24 by 24, and even for a cover, they're kind of a little bit of an expense. So I only bought 2, and I think maybe in another video I told you that. But anyways, they're coming, and I should be getting those soon. And I got the blue and white ticking stripe, and I think it'll be cute. And then they have some cute pillowcases and stuff like that on Amazon, so I'm gonna maybe check into that too, and see, or maybe I'll order from this same girl once I get these back, based on the quality that they are. But I have a feeling they're gonna be really good because she had a lot of 5 stars on reviews on all of her pillowcases, and that's what she does. But anyways, that's about it. I just wanted to say hello and kind of show you what I got going here. Oh, let me say something. Last video I did, I got some scouring powder from Mrs. Meyers, and it's lavender, and I've used that, and it works really good cleaning my sink. Probably a lot better than using Comet that has bleach in it. I mean, I do once a week usually put a little, put bleach cleaner in my sink just to make sure you get all the, like if you had raw chicken in there or anything like that, and you want it to really get clean. But other times when I'm cleaning, I just use that Mrs. Meyers lavender scouring powder, and it works really good. I'm really happy with it. And then what else did I get? I got glass cleaner, and that worked really well too, so I like that a lot better than using a Windex with ammonia. It worked really nice, shined up, sparkly on my windows, so I was real pleased with that. And I'm trying to think, what else did I get that was new that I hadn't tried before? Well, I can't remember. But anyways, those 2 things I was very, very happy with. And of course, I've been using the concentrate for my bottle for the spray, surface spray. I've been refilling that, and that's been working out great. You can use it full strength or dilute it some if you want to use it for, because you can use that probably on your floors if you wanted to too. Anyways, but it seems to work good. But other than that, I'm just waiting for my stuff to come, those pillows, and like I said, I'm gonna try to add some more of those, and I'll be doing my video in a few weeks, couple weeks, on my farm, how I decorated the room, because I'm so excited to do it. I want to get some more signs up on the wall and things of that nature before I show everything to you. I'm excited about it, and I can't wait to show it to you. But anyways, everybody have a happy afternoon. I think it's going to be gorgeous here. It's nice and pretty outside. And I will see you again tomorrow with my Valentine tour. In the meantime, take care, and I love you. Bye-bye.